Hey guys, so there's a lot of videos out there about the Fanttik screwdrivers, and they're awesome. Fanttik was kind enough to send me the E1 Max. There's a lot of other videos you can watch about the torque power and the numbers and the specs and all that stuff. But all I really want to know is, will it drive a screw into this wood scrap I just grabbed out of the garage? So let's check it out. If you've never used it, you press this, pops it right out. I'll show you that again. So that's popped in. This is how you store it. Pop it out. Screwdriver. I need to find the appropriate bit. You can see there's bits all the way around here, which is awesome. I'm going to use this one to work with these screws I have. I think this is a tall task, so let's see if it can do it. Yep, perfect fit. Apologies, I don't know how to use it yet, so there we go. Let's try it. I'm gonna set this on the edge of the desk. Can't quite do it, but that's pretty impressive, even that it would attempt it. Obviously electronics, it did get it in, but it couldn't go any further than that. So obviously electronics and all that, no problem. I love Fanttik. Let's try a couple other things. Okay, let's give it a little fairer test here and use it what it's actually meant for, which is electronics. So I have an old laptop here. 3 screws, figured I'd just show you. Taking one out low speed and one high speed. So piece of cake, like I said, that's what it's meant for. You would think it would be. Let's flip it over to, got low, off, and high. High speed. Let's see what it does on this one. There we go. It's just a super handy little tool to have around. This is going to go in my drawer right where I know it is and never leave. Here's all the bits. You can see it's got the paddle tool too. If you need to do any prying or anything, taking apart your little electronics magnetation zone. If you need to magnetize the tip, I'll show you that. There you go. Again, all the other bits. Extra long if you need the reach. Fanttik just makes an awesome little tool. So, hope that helps. If you're interested, click the buy. Thanks.